Welcome back, everybody. Sergeant Snell here. We're going to talk about Excel spreadsheets or spreadsheets in general, and honestly we're going to touch a little bit on how OneNote is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. So it actually connects to all of the other programs very seamlessly to include Outlook. But right now we're just going to talk about Excel spreadsheets. And something I forgot to mention in the last video. So let's say you get a table together, as I like to do. You start typing your favorite words and maybe some good data and such. What you can do is convert this to an Excel spreadsheet. Let's fill out the top columns real quick. Convert this to an Excel spreadsheet. What that will do is take this table, open up Excel. Hope it's doing it. Yeah, it is. So it just slurped it up off the paper, opened up Excel, put that into Excel, and then created the file. But then it reprinted a picture of it right there. So that's kind of neat for a couple reasons. Let's go here. We have to double click the edit button and it'll pop open, and so we can say we change our favorite color again, small walking table fish, and then we just hit save, close it up, and it should update. Yep, bada boom. So we got that. So there's some applications in this where you can keep a working copy of the same spreadsheet throughout your office or throughout your CSS or something like that. You might already be aware of this. However, there is a phenomena where someone will have an Excel spreadsheet open and it will lock it so other people can't use it, right? That is not a factor in OneNote. So I can have this Excel spreadsheet open, I can be messing with it, doing whatever I want to do with it. You can be doing the same thing at the same time. If we save at the same time and we conflict some information in there, it will come up with a kind of a, I don't know, let's actually see if I can show you that. Let's go view or insert. We're trying to dock again, that's what we're trying to do. Let's see, new window. So we got that, got this. So I'm gonna open that up right here. We got one copy of it. I'm gonna open this one up right here. Wonder if that's gonna work. Alright, doesn't look like it's gonna work. However, you gotta take my word for it. If two people open up the same Word document or the same PowerPoint or whatever it is, as long as it's a Microsoft thing, if you both change it and save it and close it again, you'll get kind of an error that pops up right here saying like, oh, you know, would you guys care to come in and manually deconflict? And it's easy peasy. It almost never happens, and when it does happen, you just talk to the person or you look at it and make the call. And it's a lifesaver, because there's nothing worse than getting called back into work because you didn't close out some file, you know what I mean? So it's a lifesaver in that sense. And Excel spreadsheets, you can get all nice and a lot more complicated within the Excel spreadsheet, doing pivot tables or macros, than you can in this sort of small, low-level table application. So that's about all I have to say about Excel spreadsheets. Thanks for listening.